Now on to another clear winner. One of my favorite stocks out there. This stock, in my opinion, is going to have a record 2021. It already has 7x'd in the last 12 months since it first IPO'd, and this stock is doing extremely well. I think there's so much upside because everything is aligning for the stock to have a great year, and that is that analysts right now see the major winner in the sports betting place going to be DraftKings, especially as New York gets closer to approving online sports betting. It's looking like they might approve sports betting in 2021 or in early 2022. We're already seeing dozens of states having legalized sports betting, and DraftKings has already been capitalizing on this. They're growing at a very fast rate, and their numbers have been extremely, extremely good. They've been growing very quickly. Their gross margin has been really good, and they're positioned as a leader in the sports betting place. They have major partnerships with UFC, with the NFL. They have, and the NFL has signed some deals with Canada and what's going on there. So DraftKings has positioned itself not only to take advantage of Canada when that market starts to open up for sports betting, but also they have the partnerships with UFC, NFL, and this opens them up to, getting introduced to new customer bases that they may not have seen with the UFC, first of all. And then the NFL, obviously, being a major partner with DraftKings, they're in a great position. We're seeing sports betting continue to get legalized, and New York being a state that is looking like it's going to legalize sports betting within the next 12 to 18 months. That is going to be a huge win for DraftKings. And within the next couple of years, we're going to see all states have legalized sports betting, and DraftKings, DraftKings and FanDuel are the two at the top. They have most of the market share, but I think we're going to continue to see DraftKings just dominate in this space. So we'll wait and see what happens. This is one of the stocks that I'm very, very bullish on. I think everything's lining up for them in terms of sports betting being legalized in more and more states. Now with New York, looking to legalize it, that's going to be a huge win for the company as well.